be an ace because of that. Oh, I hate the phone. Was that your phone?
That was my phone.
I hate you. What could that possibly be?
Don't
Is that
know.
a Fortnite notification? Such a good time.
And in fact, it was not a Fortnite notification.
League of Legends. All right, Berg time. Revive me, Berg.
You don't want to know what the notification was.
Oh my God. You know how to mess me up anymore than that.
I had to mess most shots up. I'm sorry.
Ah,
You don't want
my
to know.
favorite hole.
You want to know what that notification was?
What was it? Oh, beautiful.